The learning was amazing, simply because you were able to on your own reflect and then come up with your own framework, although there is ICF's framework, and then implement a lot of these things in the sessions that were there. I mean, the most amazing thing was this, that it was not a simple rule book that we learned, but we learned what it means to do coaching from being a coach and then getting into the doing aspect of it, which is the most amazing thing you can ever learn. And that was a great experience for me. Yes. The style of training was amazing, unbelievable, for a simple reason, because the coach was not trying to, usually in a session like this, it's a training session, it's not a coaching session. So the trainer usually is more on the level of, I am imparting to you. But here, it was more that it was a coaching cum training session where the trainer, Ben, was helping people get to there, using all the frameworks and all the tools that I use in coaching. And so you could see that he was lively, he was involved with us, and he elicited our own solutions. So end of the day, did we become a good coach? The answer is yes, we got clarified as to why we want to become a good coach. So that really sums it up.
When I looked at the material, I realized one thing. There's structure, there's content. This is something that's going to be thought-provoking. As I turned every page, revelation upon revelation, I'm really leaving with a sense of achievement. The material is going to, I cannot tell you the material, the amount of material we wrote on top of the material we got is just a lot. It's mind-boggling. It was really good.
What should I say? Ben equals energy. It's like explosion of energy out here. It not only makes people be awake and be present to the situation, but also takes them to a very higher state of contemplation, I would say. And the entire 4 years just whizzed past. It was like seconds. Thanks to Ben for it. USP for this particular training program by Success Motivation. This is the experience you get. You will be perfection by the end of it. Thank you.
I think it was of high standard. I am a trainer myself, I'm a facilitator myself, I do senior leadership workshops, and I could say that from my background as a person who facilitates senior leadership workshops, this was a training of high caliber. Ben is an excellent facilitator. I think he used the combination of experiential learning through which he actually transferred the coaching concepts online. So this entire workshop was a combination of coaching and experiential learning, and I think all of us know that experiential learning is the most powerful learning that you can take back from a workshop. So Ben, thank you very much. Well done. You are a great facilitator.